Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair IntelliBrite 5G White Underwater LED Pool Light 12-volt 500-watt equivalent 30-foot cord. Pentair IntelliBrite 5G White LED pool lights provide the most energy-efficient lighting. They use 85% less electricity than incandescent and halogen pool lights. Superior lens geometry and exclusive reflector design combine to create a wider beam and more uniform light distribution. Pool lens can be rotated to 180 degrees to provide wide beam pattern or narrow beam pattern. Available in 12-volt and 500-watt equivalency, it includes 30-feet cord. Features: energy efficient, superior lens geometry and reflector design, compatible with Pentair stainless steel and plastic niches, 12-volt 500-watt equivalent. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.